Alright, what's up, y'all? So y'all are gonna have to forgive my spastic ass for waking up early this morning and forgetting to grab the GoPro as I dropped the car off at the muffler shop today. So she is getting straight pipe, you know. So we about to pick her up in a couple hours probably, but we got the boys' charger right here, you know what I'm saying? We about to get some details in a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see it right now, but it's bright as shit. This camera's small. This man got some shit fucked up on his paint, so we about to get him right on the detail, get the wax going on, and then we just gonna go from there. How you feel about your fucked up paint on your car? You ready for this detail?
I can't wait to get it removed.
Hell yeah.
What do you think of this on your steering wheel?
Get it removed. What? Patriot pack?
You're telling me that would look badass on your car. Patriot pack right here.
Fucking American.
That shit look crazy.
Bald Eagle Scat.
Did you change your badge or no?
On the wheel?
They have, yeah, they have one. Look at this one.
Penny dropper. Ooh, I had that on my.
And you can change the color.
Lights are just like what you get. Like change the color what you get.
No, like, you see how that's red? You can change the red to a dark gray, like how it's your color.
Oh, we got the red guts, so we probably keep it red. That red button. Red button would be dope. Yeah, man. So we'll see y'all when we get in them. Alright, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, folks at home. So we approximately dropped the Scat pack off to get straight piped at 9:30 freaking a.m. and it is 4:30 p.m. right now. The only reason why that's crazy is because this man said, yeah, we'll get it done in about 3 hours. Yeah, many hours later. So we about to go get that thing right now. We out. There goes baby girl. There goes Scarlet.
Right here. Second back.
Haven't officially named her yet, but I think it might just be Scarlet, you know? Fuck it. So we gonna get it done. Give the monies. We gonna get this shit right. There goes Scarlet. Huh? Just look at it. Hey, hey.
Fuck. Dude, your car is fucking sick.
Is it? Can we start it up?
Go ahead.
You wanna start it?
Yeah. You should go ahead. Alright, let's get this. Here, wait, record on mine too.
Alright.
Hit the lock record or some shit.
Right.
Yay.
I need a table saw to do a rip on 4 boards.
Alright now.
Oh, what?
First time.
Took out the mid mufflers and the resonators, baby. Fuck. Oh shit. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. My grandpa's gonna freak. Oh. The man is gonna freak. Wow.
valves on this exhaust. Once you go into gear, man, you hammer this motherfucker track. You're gonna pass anything but a gas valve.
Is this on track right now?
Huh?
Oh, no.
It's not on track?
Yeah, you got traction, you got cutout valves in this one.
So what does that do?
Well, it opens it up. The exhaust a little bit.
It opens it up on the
So once
street?
you go into gear and you hit it, well, you'll hear it. Get on that gas.
That'll
when
be
you hit
higher
it.
RPMs and shit, so.
Well, you got a rev limiter on here too, you know, so that ain't gonna let you get your R's up until you get it in gear. Maybe you could do a little rip out there for us.
Yeah, do it.
On your way out. We'll see. I hope that's what you want,
Watch
man.
the door on that side.
That's crazy, dude. I can't wait to see what your grandpa's gonna say about that.
Share that video on my Facebook.
Oh yeah, for sure. We'll send it to you.
What the fuck is that?
You send it to my email.
Alright.
Oh wait a minute, no, I won't be able to get it that way. Yeah,
Hey.
aren't you on Facebook?
Do you want it? Do you want it on your story? Then you get his phone number. You can send it to me.
Are you guys on Facebook?
Yeah.
Share it right to my Facebook page.
Yeah. That thing sounds nasty as shit, don't it?
Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
Here, I'm gonna hit
Insane.
you up for a friend right now.
All right, cool.
Once you leave, you'll see when you crack that gas, you're like, holy fucking shit, man. I thought it was loud, it just didn't gear. I was like, oh my god, you get it in gear. It's just, I goosed it a little bit coming up the hill.
All right. Jimmy finally got his car back. He straight piped it. Finally straight piped. Everybody's literally looking, dude. It's crazy. The crackling is beautiful. Delicioso.
Did it?
I mean, shit, I would. Shit.
Okay, wow. She's fucking shiny red again. Now I'm getting that fat ass brake caliper Brembo right on my leg. I'm gonna get that bitch tattooed. No, it's gonna be sick. Yeah. Y'all about to hear that straight pipe cold start on him. See how nasty she is? Yeah, straight behind it.
Oh shit.